Looking for a reliable fuel pump replacement to optimize your vehicle's performance? The DWVO Fuel Pump is designed as the perfect solution for your worn-out fuel system parts. Engineered to enhance fuel efficiency and provide your engine with the proper fuel pressure, this fuel pump ensures that your vehicle runs smoothly, delivering the performance you expect without compromise. The DWVO Fuel Pump utilizes an advanced fourth-generation turbo pump motor that ensures proper power delivery and fuel pressure. This turbo pump design accelerates fuel atomization, improving engine startup times and providing more consistent performance. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to boost fuel delivery efficiency and improve engine responsiveness. The fuel pump also features upgraded plastic components thanks to injection molding technology. This innovation greatly enhances the stability and efficiency of fuel delivery, ensuring that your engine receives the precise amount of fuel required for optimal operation. Whether you're driving on highways or in stop-and-go traffic, the DWVO Fuel Pump ensures reliable performance. Installation is simple and user-friendly, making it a great option for DIYers. The assembly process only takes a few minutes, and with the included sealing ring and swing arm, you'll have your fuel pump set up in no time. The provided online installation manual and user guide make installation a breeze. While it's designed for ease of use, professional installation is recommended for those who prefer expert assistance. One satisfied customer shared their experience of using this fuel pump on a truck that had been sitting idle for years. They decided to give the DWVO Fuel Pump a try due to its affordability, and so far, it's been performing well. They appreciate the cost-effectiveness of the product and are hopeful it will continue to serve their needs. Before purchasing, make sure to double-check your vehicle's information and refer to the detailed fitment guide on the product description page to ensure compatibility. With the DWVO Fuel Pump, you can trust that you're getting a product that optimizes fuel efficiency and provides reliable engine performance. Click the link in the description to purchase your DWVO Fuel Pump today and experience smoother, more efficient engine performance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and product reviews.